Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get a digital signature on a PDF. First, understand that a digital signature offers a secure and verifiable way to sign documents electronically. This method confirms the document's authenticity and also ensures it has not been tampered with after signing. We will cover the essential preparation, creation of your unique digital ID, the application of your signature, and finally, how to properly verify your signed document. By the end, you will confidently apply your own digital signatures with ease. Before you begin, ensure your PDF document is completely final and ready for signing. Any modifications made after the digital signature is applied could potentially invalidate it. Take a moment to check if your document already includes specific signature fields or if you will need to create one. Using a reliable PDF reader, like Adobe Acrobat Reader, will provide the most straightforward and consistent experience for this initial preparation step. To digitally sign, you first need a digital ID, also called a digital certificate, which acts as your unique electronic identity. Most PDF software allows you to create a new self-signed digital ID directly within the application, often requiring just a few minutes of your time. This ID will contain key information like your name and email, and you will secure it with a strong password. This step is fundamental to establishing your verifiable electronic identity for signing documents. Once your digital ID is ready, it is time to apply your signature to the document. Access the Sign or Certificates tool, usually found in your PDF software's toolbar. You will then typically drag and drop a signature field to the exact spot where you want your signature to appear on the page. Finally, select your newly created digital ID from the options provided, input your secure password, and confirm the signature placement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.